Hello everybody, welcome to this salsa tutorial. Here I'm going to be able to explain you all of the basic steps of salsa. Today we're going to cover the basic step, march and side step, starting by the march, following for the basic, and then the side step. So here we go. Starting by the steps, we're going to start with the march. We're going to be able to do 1, 2, and 3, leaving a space, and then 5, 6, 7. We leave a space for the number 4 and for the number 8. So we're going to march like this with our left. So we're going to start and 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6. We repeat and 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Okay, that is going to be our march for salsa. Okay, these are the counts that we're going to be able to use throughout our entire video and our entire dance career. Okay, now we're going to follow with our basic step. So with my left leg, I'm going to start going towards the front. So left goes to the front, and I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. So make sure that with your right leg you stay in the center. My right leg is going to go back as my number 5. 5, 6, and 7. And repeat. 1, 2, and 3. Go back. 5, 6, and 7. Now, for our salsa basic steps, we have to understand that we have to do one leg after the other one, okay? We're not going to have room for now to repeat any leg. So it's always going to be left, right, left, right, left, right as our basic step. With that being said, we're going to move forward with our side step, all right? We're going to keep the same count as 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, and 7, but like as the name said, we're going to be able to move to the sides, okay? I'm going to turn around, and we're going to do to our left, and 1, 2, and 3, come back to your center, always come back to your center, and with your right leg, you go towards your side. 5, 6, and 7, and we go 1, 2, and 3 as my center. 5, 6, and 7. We do left, right, left, right, left, right. All right, now we're going to be able to do these steps with the music. Okay, with this music, we're going to be able to do our march following our basic step and then our side step. All right, we're going to start the march. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, 5, left, right. 5, get ready for our basic step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Left to the front, right to the back, left to the front. We keep with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Get ready. We go side step. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we're gonna be able to do these steps slowly with the march, and the music is gonna keep playing. We're gonna do 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 7. We march 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6. Basic step. E. 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6. Last time. E. 1, 2, and 3. We go to our side step with the left. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. E. 1, 2, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7. All right, everybody. With the music, we were able to dance the slow version, okay, and at tempo. Now, whenever I'm facing towards the back, you have to realize that my left is still this one, all right? So my left is gonna go towards the front, it's gonna go towards the side whenever we do the different steps, all right? These counts are gonna be able to carry you through your dance journey, all right? So I will see you guys in the next video, and stay tuned for more. See you, my name is Max, and dance with Proyección Latina.